Not all North Florida markets are created equal. I took five main markets and compared the average appreciation per unit over a 10-year period, and the leading market over that period might surprise you. So the way to read this chart is we took 3-year median windows. In other words, these are all market rate closings. We took the median from 2015 to 2017 market rate closings and compared that to the 2023 to 2025 median rate closings. So very interesting information. In fifth place, Tallahassee was up 58% from about 55,000 a unit to 87,000. Solid, but the slowest of the group. Fourth, as you can see, was Jacksonville, which is actually our biggest market in terms of population and number of assets. That was up 108%, which is doubling from 52 to 108,000 a unit. Third, you got Daytona Beach, was up 139%. But the top two aren't the big metros at all. Number two was Ocala, up 177%. And the winner, Gainesville, where I'm actually based out of, was up 192%. The typical Gainesville unit went from about $45,000 to $133,000. It nearly tripled. So the takeaway for investors, these secondary and tertiary markets pretty much outran the metros, at least for this cycle. So if you've been sort of hunting in the Jacksonville market, which is a great market, don't get me wrong, you may be looking right past where the appreciation actually happened. Now, a quick word of caution. Obviously, past appreciation doesn't guarantee future value appreciation. And of course, smaller markets are a little bit thinner and can be more volatile. If you wanted a full breakdown on one of the cities that you own in the northern half of Florida, just reach out to me. Happy to help you out. See you guys in the next one.